What's up, beautiful people? Good evening, good evening, good evening, good evening, good evening. As we speak right now, I'm about to analyze Euro USD. From what I can analyze so far before I start this video, I could see that, you know, Euro is kind of, I'm coming. Yeah, I can see that Euro is trying to like uphold its own end of the agreement. You get it, but it's a swing low kind of market. But as we speak, as we speak, as I'm looking at things, this market is definitely going to go up. It's going to take a tough time, but it's definitely going to go up. You see it. You could see the candle. You could see the real candle. It's pushing up. USD strength is pulling it back. You get it. But now looking like this, when I analyze it, I was like, okay, from this very point, I believe it might not be today, might not be. Let me see. Okay, this is 11:23, but it might not be because right now the London time are in like Tuesday now. Today's Monday here. So the way I see this, I believe maybe by Tuesday or Wednesday, because from what I could see here, this resistance will definitely be broken due to US dollar not really having enough strength. And if it did not break it, if US dollar did not break this very, if Euro did not break this very resistance, this very support, if Euro did not break it, you get it, if Euro did not break this very support, then it means that Euro would definitely, USD would definitely reverse it. It will just, gallop a bit here, like indecision here, then it will reverse back. It will start reversing back to this. It will start following the trend of this very candle. Of this very line chart of this very a line that I drew in this place. Sorry for using the line chart language. So it's gonna try to like beat back on this. So this is what I'm seeing here. This is what I'm seeing here. But from here, because placing buy from this place, have a lot of support to break. You get it? So it has a lot of have a lot of resistance to break. Break the resistance. When it goes up, it becomes the support. You get it? So it has a lot to break as we speak here. So he's trying to like heat it up. He's trying to heat up the whole place. He's trying to like heat up and start going up. But where's the confirmation that this market can break on? Well, from what I can see here, the confirmation is just two things. You get it? I won't say the other one, but I'll show you one of it. The first confirmation is this very candle. This very bullish candle that closed here that closed in London, in the London time, because this new candle is the new candle that is forming for Tuesday. We are not in Tuesday now, but this new candle has formed for Tuesday already. So this is the candle that confirms it. I saw another thing which I don't want to talk about right now. I saw another thing that confirms that this market can break up. You get it? But it's not really evidence enough. You get it? It's not really evidence enough, but it will definitely fight in this circle. But right now USD is like, it's not in its, the stamina is not really there right now. You get it? Because the currency like that is really driving the market right now is the Great Britain pound. The crusade is really serious right now. The Great Britain pound crusade is really serious right now. So what I can see here is that Euro is going up. It's going to fight. But when US dollar want to take charge, US dollar might pull it down a bit. You understand? It might pull it down a bit. But should US dollar pull it down, this means that this market is definitely going to follow these very lines that we drew. You get it? These very lines that we drew, yeah, it's definitely going to follow it, but it's not an assurance yet, because from what I can see, you know, Euro is fighting this very circle. And if I'm asked to like say, I'll definitely tell you that Euro will break out. It will take Euro like, it may take Euro like a cold in hell before it could break this place. But Euro will break out, and from there Euro is going all the way up from what I can see. US dollar can still fight back, but ooh, guys, the stamina is not there. I'm not saying it. I don't know if you see it. Please, just let me know. But from what I can see here, you know, Euro is just gonna fight, and it's definitely going to come down. But should Euro want to fight at least minimum to get to this very 1.18837, you get it? Should Euro want to fight, should it struggle out at least minimum to get to this very point. But right now, as I'm in the market, I put a, let me put it like this. In Euro USD, the one that I'm trading, then I put a buy stop somewhere here. I put a buy stop somewhere down here. In the other chart that I use to trade my live account, I put a buy stop somewhere here. So the buy stop, should the market reverse, it will hit the buy stop, and the market will start going up back. You get it? So by so doing, at least it could make me something. Okay, so from this place, I'm not in the market yet. I'm not trading this very currency yet. I'm just waiting, for this decision to be fully made. You get it? I'm just waiting for this decision to be fully made. So should it break, it will definitely. Sorry, my bad. We're in midnight, Should it break, it will definitely hit this very point. At least it will take, like, let's say 30 or 40 pips, ahead. Let's just say 50 pips, and that it will take from this place. You get it? So it's gonna take like almost 70 pips. 70 pips, yeah. It's gonna take from here to here. You get it? Because this is daily forecast. So it's gonna take minimum from there to that place. But right now, I'm in a buy stop. I'm sorry. Yeah, I'm in a buy stop as we speak. So should it come down? Okay, should the market come down, it will definitely reverse. Again, because I'm saying, yeah, this is a confirmation. This is one of the confirmation that I see that says the market is going up, but it's not enough. It's one of it. I'm not just talking about the rest. Yeah, it's one of it. But as it's heat in this place, definitely the best thing I could do, is just to wait for it to break out. So should it break out of this place, should it come up a bit, I'll definitely be in the market. So I'll just put a buy, a buy limit here, a buy limit at this very point, 1.18320. You get it? I'll put a buy limit there. So should the market just break up to that extent, it will definitely go to this place. You get it? So you know what? I'm just gonna shift my buy limit down a little bit. So it's gonna be like 1 point. Should it just struggle up to this very point? I'll shift my buy limit. Let me just write it down, please. Let me write it down so I can shift my buy limit. You get it? It's 1.18. 219. You understand? 1.18219. You get it? So I'm gonna put my buy limit there. So should the market get to that side, definitely the market is going up. I'll put my stop loss somewhere here. It's a buy limit, remember, so it's not in the market yet. So should it cross the path that I lined for it, it will now go into the market. Please note this. So I'll put my stop loss somewhere here. That is 1.17773. Let me write it down. SPE, STP, STPL. 1.1777 trade. Okay, I'll put my stop loss there, and definitely I'm gonna put my first take profit at this 1.1.1.18837 1.18837 1.18837 1.18837. So that will be my first take profit. You get it? So should it break those barriers? But from what I can see here, it's really fighting. It's really break those barriers, as I can see what's going on here. So to me, this market is a kind of buy market. You get it? This is what I can see there. I'm not in the market yet, but I'm definitely, once I'm done with this video, I'm definitely going to place all this. I'm definitely going to implement all this in the market that I said I'm going to sell. You get it? Because I believe euro is still going up. So this is why I'm doing the buy of a thing. It's a buy market. So this is why I'm doing that. So please, people, please just check the market and tell me what you see on your own. Please do like, share, subscribe on my channel, and click the notification button. And please, you could join me on any of our social media: Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, Facebook. On any of our social media at IFX. I'll be really glad to receive you and know what your opinion will be. Please, I'll definitely appreciate it if you could like, share, subscribe, click the notification button. That means a lot to this, to this opportunity, this crusade of trading safe. That not just trading safe, but trading and making better than a living that I'm running. Thank you very much, everyone. Trade safe, trade wise, don't be greedy. God bless you. God loves us all. Have a good one. See you in my next video.